Welcome back to Motorhome Nomads, where innovation meets the open road. Today we explore a stunning blend of German precision and futuristic travel luxury. The 2026 BMW X5 Motorhome in elegant gray. This isn't just another concept. It's BMW's bold statement on what the future of premium mobility looks like. From its commanding exterior design to a meticulously crafted interior, advanced AI-assisted driving features and a performance system engineered for power and comfort, this motorhome takes road luxury to an entirely new level. Let's dive into every detail that makes this X5-based motorhome a masterpiece of engineering and elegance. At first glance, the 2026 BMW X5 Motorhome commands respect. Its presence is unmistakably BMW. Muscular, athletic, and gracefully aerodynamic. The iconic kidney grille has been reimagined for the future, illuminated with adaptive LED elements that shift tone based on driving mode. The sleek, flowing body lines emphasize agility, while chrome accents trace the contours from the front fascia to the rear. The gray metallic paint enhances the sculpted silhouette, reflecting light with a subtle satin sheen. Its chassis is built from a hybrid aluminum carbon fiber frame, engineered for both rigidity and lightweight performance. The motorhome extension flows naturally with the original SUV form, blending the sportiness of the X5 with the proportions of a touring vehicle. Flush door handles, hidden hinges, and frameless windows enhance the aerodynamic profile. The lighting setup includes BMW's latest laser light system, ensuring precise illumination on the road. At the rear, full-width OLED taillights wrap elegantly around the back with a continuous red light band. The automatic rear spoiler extends at highway speeds, improving stability and efficiency. The 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels complete the exterior look, bold yet refined. A perfect mix of performance and elegance. The front of the BMW X5 motorhome exudes dominance and futuristic appeal. The signature illuminated kidney grille is flanked by ultra-slim adaptive laser headlights with blue detailing, symbolizing BMW's electrified DNA. The bumper integrates aerodynamic air channels and a lower chrome splitter, giving the vehicle a wide and confident stance. The forward sensors, cameras, and radar units are seamlessly built into the grille and lower fascia, supporting semi-autonomous driving and parking systems. At the back, the X5 motorhome continues its elegance with sophistication. The rear design incorporates a panoramic glass section with an integrated LED light strip running horizontally. The chrome-tipped exhausts are replaced with hidden vents, maintaining the clean, electric-ready design. The rear bumper features embedded sensors for 360-degree awareness, while the automatic liftgate opens upward, revealing storage and rear accessibility for the living area. Stepping inside the BMW X5 motorhome feels like entering a private sanctuary of elegance and technology. The cabin is designed around BMW's luxury beyond motion philosophy. Every surface is draped in premium Napa leather and open-pore oak wood. The gray and ivory dual-tone theme complements the exterior color, while ambient light strips run seamlessly across the cabin, adjusting hue based on driving mode or time of day. The living area includes two reclining lounge seats that rotate to face a retractable OLED display mounted in a floating frame. The kitchen area features smart appliances, a hidden induction cooktop, mini refrigerator, and retractable dining counter finished in brushed aluminum. A full-height window brings in natural light, enhanced by electrochromic tint control for privacy. The bathroom area features marble-textured panels, rainfall shower, and heated flooring. Moving to the rear, the bedroom suite offers a queen-size bed with BMW Comfort Foam technology and a panoramic skylight that reveals the night sky. The cockpit is a masterpiece of technology and design. The dashboard features BMW's new curved display spanning 48 inches across the console, powered by the iDrive 9 system with AI integration. Every function, from navigation to lighting to driving dynamics, is voice and gesture controlled. The driver's seat is sculpted with memory, ventilation, and massage functions. A yoke-style steering wheel replaces the traditional design, paired with augmented reality displays on the windshield. Both driver and passenger seats swivel 180 degrees to face the living area when parked. The cabin remains whisper quiet, insulated with triple-layer acoustic glass and adaptive noise cancellation. In the living area, BMW has taken the concept of comfort to a new level. The space adapts dynamically, transforming from lounge to workspace to entertainment room. The modular furniture slides automatically into configurations based on selected presets. The lighting system mimics natural circadian rhythms, while the audio experience comes alive with a 24-speaker Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system. Wireless charging surfaces, hidden storage compartments, and integrated AI assist make life on the road intuitive and refined. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X5 Motorhome combines power and efficiency through a plug-in hybrid setup. A 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine, paired with electric motors producing a combined 550 horsepower. This system is managed by BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration is swift for its class, reaching 0-60 mph in just 5.2 seconds, while ride comfort is ensured by adaptive air suspension that automatically levels the vehicle on uneven surfaces. Noise insulation and low center of gravity create a stable, luxurious glide at highway speeds. The 2026 BMW X5 Motorhome starts around $980,000, depending on customization and add-ons. Buyers can opt for extended-length variants, unique interior color schemes, or full electric drivetrain options through BMW's Vision Atelier customization program. The 2026 BMW X5 Motorhome proves that innovation and luxury can coexist in motion. It's a symbol of sophistication, a machine built for those who desire more than just travel. They crave experience. With its perfect blend of performance, technology, and comfort, this BMW isn't simply a motorhome. It's a vision of what freedom on wheels truly means. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe and share this video with fellow enthusiasts. There's more innovation, design, and adventure ahead right here on Motorhome Nomads, where luxury meets the road.